Amidst opposition accusations that Manipur has been neglected in the union budget, Chief Minister Biren Singh has firmly rebutted the claims. Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh meets Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari to discuss the progress of ongoing national highway projects in Manipur. And state observes 25th Kargil Vijay Diwas at First Manipur Rifle Banquet Hall in Imphal. Minister Thongam Biswajit remarks sacrifices made by security forces for the motherland will always be remembered and cherished. Hello and welcome. You're watching ISCOM English News and I'm Ruby Unkai with you. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Amidst opposition accusations that Manipur has been neglected in the union budget, Chief Minister Biren Singh has firmly rebutted the claims. Addressing the concerns, Singh stated, it's their petty politics. Manipur has already received not less than 250 crore rupees for hailstorms and flood, and the state has already distributed it to the people. The opposition's criticism focused on the perceived lack of financial allocation for Manipur in the recent budget. However, Singh said that substantial funds have already been allocated and effectively utilized to address natural disaster impacts. The controversy escalated earlier on July 23rd when Lok Sabha MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam condemned the Union Budget 2024 for allegedly neglecting internally displaced persons, IDPs, in Manipur. Dr. Angomcha Akoijam criticized that the budget for its failure to include flood relief or a rehabilitation package for IDPs. While the budget did allocate funds for flood and irrigation issues in other states such as Bihar, Assam, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Sikkim, it did not address the severe flooding or the IDP crisis in Manipur. Even Assam MP Gaurav Gogoi criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah, claiming they lack an understanding of the complexities and aspiration of the northeastern region.
अरे कितना मिला हुआ है अभी हम लोग का मणिपुर का तो बजट में नाम लेना वो पीटी मैटर है वो तो ऑपोजिशन का पीटी पॉलिटिक्स है मणिपुर को जस्ट ये हेल स्टॉर्म का फ्लड का हम लोग को नॉट लेस देन 250 करोड़ पहले से मिल चुका है और वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू द पीपल्स
Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh met with the Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari in New Delhi today to discuss the progress of ongoing national highway projects in Manipur. The meeting comes as part of Singh's visit to the capital for a high-level Niti Aayog conference involving chief ministers from across India. Sources close to the Chief Minister's office revealed that Singh is seeking an audience with Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his stay in Delhi. If arranged, this would mark their first meeting since violence clashes erupted in Manipur on May 3rd, 2023. The Niti Aayog conference that commences today will bring together state leaders and central government officials to address pressing issues and formulate collaborative development strategies. Singh is accompanied by key state officials for these discussions. State Power Minister Thongam Biswajit and Water Resources Minister Awang Bao Nyumai joined various ministers, MLAs and officials to observe Kargil Vijay Diwas at the 1st Battalion Manipur Rifle Banquet Hall today. The event saw heartfelt tributes paid to all the martyrs of the Kargil War. At the function, Thongam Biswajit remarked their sacrifice for the motherland will always be remembered and cherished. Taking to X, Chief Minister Biren Singh wrote, and I'm quoting, "On this solemn occasion of Kargil Vijay Diwas, we pay tribute to the brave soldiers who fought valiantly and laid down their life for our nation. May their legacy continue to inspire us to uphold the values of patriotism and unity."
Sarashawa apagi Air Force Station sta koina ko celebrate amati lariba observe ta wiski maramsi akhoi hariba Air Force Station asigi helicopter unit 152 na Almighty Armor haina akhoi khangnaba akhoi Kargil lan phamse da akhoi Operation Safeguard haitana chouba thaudang lawkiba aduga lona hariba Operation Safeguard se da akhoi thona leiba kaya asopan amadi langkiba aduga lona sigi butuga akhoi ningchang ba aduga akhoi yamna tremendous historic oiba achievement ama tawkiba duga si ningchang ba haiduna akhoi mafam se yamna akhoi chauna silaga pangthoi haiduna ai thamjage aduga
Governor Anusuya Uike presented monetary assistance to an 11-year-old girl residing in a relief camp owing to the ethnic violence at the Ras Bhavan in Imphal. Lakparakpam Kiran Mala Chanu, a gymnast who participated in the Inner Sports Authority of India SAI Artistic Gymnastic Tournament 2024 held at Kolkata recently, along with her father and 2 others, met the governor at Raj Bhavan in Imphal yesterday. The family of the gymnast has been residing in a relief camp since last year due to the ethnic violence. But the girl was later admitted to the SAI. The governor appreciated the talent of the 11-year-old gymnast, and as a token of appreciation, she donated a sum of 25,000 rupees to the gymnast. Kiran Mala, along with her father, thanked the governor for the love and support. In the ongoing ethnic violence between the Meiteis and Kukis, over 60,000, including 20,000 children, are displaced in Manipur, and over 230 persons lost their lives. A combined team from state and central forces in their continuous raid-cum operations at 3 hideouts of miscreants unearthed a large number of arms, ammunition and explosives in 2 districts in Manipur yesterday. In their first operation in the northern Mongbong Range in Kangpokpi district, several items including a bolt-action improvised .303 rifle, 2 bolt-action .303 rifles, 2 12-bore single-barrel guns, 4 HE-36 hand grenades, 1 range improvised mortar, 2 Bofang handset, and 1 Mark 382 grenade were recovered. During the operation, a sniffer dog was pressed into services. In another operation at the Govazang hideout of the same district, the security forces seized 1.22 rifle with a magazine, 1 single-bore barrel rifle, 2 9mm pistol with a magazine, 1 7.65 mm pistol with a magazine, 1 HE-36 hand grenade without detonator, and 1 Chinese grenade. In the southern Kukching district, police commandos, 46 Assam Rifles and 131 battalion of BSF seized some explosives from the Waikong Lophuching area under the Waikong police station. The explosive, including 181 mm misfired rusted mortar shell, 2 hand grenades and 2 smoke shells were recovered during a cordon and search operation. The seized item has been handed over to the Manipur police. A film from Manipur is making waves on the international cinema scene. Bong, directed by Lakshmi Priya Devi, has been selected for its world premiere at the prestigious Toronto International Film Festival, TIFF 2024. The film tells the story of a young Manipuri boy named Bong who sets out to find his father as a surprise gift for his mother. His journey leads to unexpected discoveries and a new beginning for his family. Devi, making her directorial debut with Bong, drew inspiration from her own childhood experiences in Manipur. The narrative emerged as she sought to reconcile with challenging aspects of her past in the region. Before stepping into the director's seat, Devi gained valuable experience as the first assistant director on notable productions including Luck by Chance, Talash, PK, and A Suitable Boy. Bong is a joint production of Excel Entertainment, Chalkboard Entertainment, and Suitable Pictures. It will be showcased in the Discovery section of the 49th TIFF scheduled from September 5th to 15, 2024. This film's TIFF lined up boss and impressive array of world premieres and international selections. Angelina Jolie's war drama Without Blood, a Bruce Springsteen documentary, and Mike Leach tragic comedy Hard Truths are among the high-profile entries. The festival will also feature works starring acclaimed actors such as Alicia Vikander, Lupita Steve Coogan, Ralph, Jennifer Lopez, Salma Hayek, Lily James, and Reese Ahmed. TIFF 2024 opens with Ben Stiller's comedy Nutcrackers, directed by David Gordon Green, and closes with Rebel Wilson's musical comedy The Deb, set in rural Australia. The selections continue the festival's tradition of showcasing crowd-pleasing films at its bookends. To pay tribute to the valor, courage, sacrifice and unwavering dedication of Indian soldiers, the Assam Rifles orchestrated a solemn Kargil Vijay Diwas observance at the Kangsilung Higher Secondary School, Kaupum Noni district, to instill a profound sense of nationalism and duty in the younger generation. The ceremony was attended by 190 enthusiastic students and 18 dedicated teachers. The commemoration commenced with a flag-hoisting ceremony led by a collective assembly of students on the school premises. A motivational lecture was delivered by the company commander to foster national pride among the attendees. Further, a motivational movie was screened to inspire and guide the youth along the path of patriotism and dedication. The event concluded with an engaging interactive session followed by light refreshments. The principal and staff of Kangsilung Higher Secondary School expressed their sincere gratitude towards the Assam Rifle for their role in enhancing awareness and fostering a sense of community on this significant day. They also extended heartfelt gratitude to all soldiers for their selfless service and dedication to the nation. The headlines once again. Amidst opposition accusations that Manipur has been neglected in the union budget, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has firmly rebutted the claims. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh meets Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari to discuss the progress of ongoing national highway projects in Manipur. And state observes 25th Kargil Vijay Diwas at First Manipur Rifle Banquet Hall in Imphal. Minister Thongam Biswajit remarks sacrifices made by security forces for the motherland will always be remembered and cherished. That is all the news we have at the moment. Thank you for watching ISCOM English News. Have a good evening.